Hello everyone, welcome back to BR Touch channel. Great to meet you again. Today I have a small exercise. It's called use absolute and mixed cell reference in a formula for Microsoft Excel. First, I would like to present about an absolute cell reference in a formula. In previous session or over exercise, we have a file budget cell reference, so we will use this file for our exercise. Okay, are you ready everyone? Sometimes you do not want a cell reference to change when you move or copy it. To make an absolute cell reference, use the $sign before the column and row or the cell you want to reference. Let's start. Click on B18. Click in the formula bar and insert $sign. Let and type in $sign. It looks like $sign B, $sign number 3, and press enter. The formula in cell B18 now use an absolute cell reference to cell B3. Copy cell B18, copy to cell B21. Paste. The display result is in cell B21. The display result is 1600, which matches with cell B18. And to try copy cell B21 to cell C21. The display result is still 1600. Notice in the formula bar that the formula in cell B21 and C21 are $sign B, $sign number 3 plus 500 minus 100. Regardless of where you copy the formula in the worksheet, the formula still refers to cell B3. Okay, you press save the workbook. And please leave it open for next exercise. And note that an absolute cell reference refers to a specific cell or range of cells regardless of where the formula is located in the worksheet. Absolute cell references include two $signs in the formula preceding the column letter and row number. The absolute cell reference $sign B, $sign number 3 For example, always refers to column B and row 3. When you copy the formula to any other cell in the worksheet, the absolute reference will not adjust to the destination cells. Okay, now start to number 2, using mixed cell references in a formula. You can also create a mixed reference in which a column or a row is absolute and the other is relative. For example, if the cell reference in a formula is $sign A5 or $sign number 5, you would have a mixed reference in which one component is absolute and one is relative. Okay, let's start. You click cell B21. Click in the formula bar and delete the $sign before number 3. Delete $sign before number 3 in the formula, so it looks like $sign B3. You press enter. The formula in cell B21 now use a mixed cell reference. Copy cell B21 to cell C22. The display result is 440, which is different from the result in B21. That's because the formula in C22 references cell B4. You see this figure. The $sign before the B in the formula is absolute, but the row number is relative. So delete the content of cell B21. Press delete cell C21, delete, and C22, delete. Okay, you press save the workbook. A mixed cell reference is a cell reference that uses an absolute column or row reference, but not both. Okay, thank you for today, everyone. We'll see you in next exercise. Goodbye.